Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Node.js tutorial series. So in this video we will talk about JSON and we will create a small API using Node.js. So first we will see what is Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript object notation which is used to store and transport data. It has many components. So let's understand by this example. So I have created a file user API, and inside the file I have taken some data which are uh, id, name, email. These are the fields. So I have taken an array, and inside array there are objects. So there are two main components in JSON, which is object and array. So this is curly bracket is object and this square bracket is array. So it has some data types which are number, string, boolean, null. So here id is number, name is string. How we identified this? Because numbers are integer or floating point number and string are the values which are enclosed in string. So this is all about JSON. Now we will create a simple API. I will create here a user API. First let's run this. So to run this I have to write daemon, name of the file which is app.js. Hit enter. Server is running. Now open Chrome. 3000. So here you can see we are on our home page. Let's go to about page. So it is working fine. Now we will create a new route which is user API. So else if request.url equals to user API, then we will read of our what basically what we are doing. We want to display these data or access the data over the web or browser. So we will be doing this by FS module. So let's first require the FS module. FS requires FS. I have created a video on FS module. So if you have not watched the FS module, please go to the video. The playlist link is in the description box. So now we will read the file. There is a method which is fs.readFile. Here you can see we are getting suggestion fs.readFile. In this method, we have to pass three fields, which is the name of our routes, which is will use string literals and dollar sign curly bracket. So there is a method which is dir name, and we will have to access this file. So first we have to go to this user API folder, and inside the folder we will access user API.json. User API slash user API.json. So we have access to this file. Now we will give the character encoding, which is UTF-8, and now we will deal with the error and display the data. So error data. First we will console the data. We will check whether we are getting the data or not. Console.log data. You can see here we are not getting data, but I will show you the magic. Let's go to the user API. We are getting here undefined, and it is still loading. So what we have not done is that we have not ended the response. So we will write this response and yeah, we are not getting any value. Let's in this, because we are not passing any data. Yeah, we will pass the data, which is okay. Again, we are not getting the data. Let's check. Oh, sorry. Here will be dot user API dot JSON. Oh, we have get the data. This is the same data which is in the user API dot JSON file, and you can see we have also console the data. So we are getting all the data at our console. We are not getting all the data. We are getting just ID5 name David Brown. We will deal with this later, but still we are getting all the data in our web page. Okay. So if I want to access only name of this ID one, so how will I do this? So to do this, we have to create an object and pass the data to the JSON parser. So I will create variable const obj data equal to JSON dot and inside the parse we will pass the data. So this will be the same as this data will be same as this. Okay. Now we will do obj data of 0. Again we are getting error. Okay. Data dot name on this. Yeah, we have get the first name The first name is John Doe. Let's access the name of ID3, which is Peter Smith. So I will pass object data of two dot name. So it is Peter Smith. But if I want to access the mail of ID3, I will simply pass email. Let's refresh this. Yeah, Peter Smith at example.com. You can check this API through Postman. Let's do this. Open Postman. If you have Thunder client, which works in VS Code, Thunder client is a extension of VS Code. You can do it as well in Thunder client. Still opening. Wait for a second. And now as open. Let's create a collection. New collection name JSON API test. Enter. Add a request. You have to pass this URL. Yeah, and make sure here get method is selected. Now send the data. So here you can see we are getting peters dot smith at the rate example.com. What if I hit only the local host? So by default we are getting welcome to home page message. That's all about this. Please hit that like button, comment below, and share our video and subscribe too. Thanks for watching.